my name is Brooke with WTI. I'm here to show you these Vont rechargeable headlamps. These are so great for camping, and it charges right here in this cute little secure spot. So if you need these headlamps in sand, your charging area will be safe. And also these are water resistant, so if you're using them and maybe it starts raining on you, you're not gonna have to take them off and be afraid that it's gonna ruin them. I like this so much, and my favorite feature about it is because they last for 90 hours. So it's rechargeable, but you can take it on a weekend camping trip and you don't have to worry about charging it through the weekend. So it's super easy. It also comes with two, so I think it's so nice you and your partner can have one. The adjustable part right here, hinge, helps you so that way when you're washing dishes and you're starting a fire, it helps you to focus the light and aim it where you need it. So that's really important, and that provides us as well. It doesn't slip on the head. You can jog with it. You can tighten it here, loosen it, however comfortable you need. This is such a great product, and I'm really happy with this headlamp. It's also lightweight, so it's not too much weight on your head as well. It's a great thing to add to your camping collection or hiking collection, and it does such a wonderful job for us. And that's my point of view.